we are checking in at Terminal B here in Barcelona. When you get dropped off, the bag check is super simple, and they put you right through into the security, and then you go scan your passports and your boarding passes, and then you go grab a seat. They'll give you a boarding number, and then they load you in order of the boarding number that you are given. To Toulon, Corsica, Naples, Civitavecchia, however you say it, Rome, Messina, Sicily, and then landing in Trieste or docking. If you're going to any of those places, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can check out all my videos from there.